I was just 17 when you let me travel all on my own. And I had made you a promise that every time I head out, I would tell you everything about my journey. All that I see, hear, discover. All the stories. But this time, I don't think I can keep my promise, Papa. I have been to so many places. But this one, the mind can't comprehend. The beauty, the wild. I'm so blank. I have never experienced something so rich, so raw. How do I explain what I'm feeling? My heart is racing, but the mind is calm. My eyes aren't blinking, and I'm getting goosebumps every now and then. Papa, I just wanted to tell you that I want to come back to this place, but this time with you. Rainforest.